Today we'll be replacing the fuel pump on this 2016 RZR 1000 XP. And first thing we need to do is get the passenger seat out. And that exposes the top of the fuel tank and the fuel pump. I've already tested this fuel pump and it's only putting out about 30 psi and needs to be up between 58 and 60 psi. The machine only has 1,500 miles on it roughly, but yeah, fuel pump's just not putting out what it should be. So the first step is to unclip this power cable just by lifting up on that little tab, and then the fuel line itself, a little green clip on each side. And then that releases the fuel line, pop up and out of there. The next thing we'll do is loosen this top nut. So the replacement pump we'll be using is this Quantum Fuel Systems pump from highflowfuel.com. And along with that, we ordered a universal wrench to take off that top nut. The wrench was actually discounted with the price of the pump, so that was pretty sweet. Comes with a new top nut. And the pump sending unit. Everything all assembled, ready to go. With the tool all assembled here, you can either use a 1/2-inch drive, ratchet, or 3/8. Comes with an adapter. It's on there tight, so make sure that you get that tool on there nice and square before you start cranking on it. It's already loose. I've loosened it just for sake of showing you how it works, but I had to use 2 hands and just make sure that, again, that the tool is on there nice and square. And it fits down over the top of those little ribs. That's where these guys go. And just be careful, you're working around gasoline here. So there's the old fuel pump, up and out of there. Looks to be in pretty good shape, but hard to know what's going on inside there. There's the old gasket we're going to be replacing. So there is a spring on this, and when you drop it part way down into the tank, as soon as it bottoms down or bottoms out in the tank, you're going to need to press down on that spring to get it to seat so you can put the top nut on. And once you get it tight, it's just the reverse of the removal. Just plug everything back in, make sure that you hear the little connector click. Just double check that that tab is secure. And just pop your fuel line back on. Make sure that it seats. And then you pop your little green retainer clip back in and you're good to go. Just double check your work. Make sure that after you push down on that fuel line and pop the little retaining clip in place, pull up on it just a little bit. Just give it a little tug. Make sure that it's not gonna pop off on you.